What's up, y'all? It's me, your boy Redrick. Hold on, let me get some light. Okay, what's up? It's me, Redrick. I was just on YouTube, like did a bunch of different. Damn. But like I was trying to say, I was on YouTube just looking at a lot of different videos, and I came across somebody watching two guys, one screwdriver, or whatever. No, one guy, one screwdriver, and I just want to, like, do a reaction video, or whatever you want to call it. But here you go. Oh shit! Oh hell! Oh shit! Oh! Ah! Look at this! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh! Oh, you a nasty ass man. Oh shit! Look! Oh hell! Oh the oh hell! That motherfucker nasty. He ain't got nothing else to do. Okay. Oh shit. Y'all, that's some nasty ass. Whoever watched my video, forgive me for all the cussing, but that shit is nasty. Go on whatever website this is, or Google a shit, It's called One Guy, One Screwdriver. It's, I gotta go. That shit is too much for my damn eyes. It's your boy Redrick. I'm out.